Okay, so the main learning for this week is about how to approach question 5 in an English language exam, um, which is a question where you have to read two different texts and just summarize some information from both of the texts. However, up to this point, we've only practiced working with one text at a time. So now we need to try and develop our ability to be able to use two texts to answer a question. All right. And on the next couple of slides, this gives you some background information to what we're going to read about, because in this exam or in this type of kind of question, you're always given two texts that are linked to each other somehow. Okay. So the texts we're going to look at today are about voting. Okay, if you're allowed to vote in your country. You see on slide 7, there's two videos for you to watch. One is a BBC video about changing the voting age now to 16. Okay, and there was a big push for this a couple of years ago in the last election. In the second video, the flappers, you see the groups of women who were part of the suffragette movement of women getting the vote. And so one of the articles we're going to read is a modern article about changing the vote to 16. And one of the articles is a more old-fashioned article about when women were trying to get the vote in the early 1900s. Okay, so I'm going to read those articles to you in subsequent videos. But please make sure you watch those videos so you get some background and then answer the questions on slide 8, because that will help your understanding of the articles.